Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Cryptogains here. I just want to do a little recap on a particular video that I did back about a week ago, maybe the 15th. It was five coins to watch in November, and if you're new watching here, this was something that I thought I'd try out just to sort of put it on your radar to show you coins which may potentially do well. So I just want to do a little recap on this video here and show you like some of the potential gains we could have made since the time of me uploading this video with the particular coins that I mentioned. Okay. So if you are new watching, please drop a like, give me a subscribe, and even if you're not new watching, if you're just watching in general because you like me and you like my stuff, what am I laughing again for? Anyway, yeah, guys, just give me a like and a subscribe, and let's dive into this. But before I do, need to let you know I'm not a final. Oh my god, my words are just not coming out, are they? I'm not a financial advisor. These are just my own personal opinions on the market. So please always do your own research before investing any money, okay? So let's dive into this recap here, right? Because what I said in this video is I was trying to put coins on your radar. Ones in which I think is going to do really well long term, but also something maybe we should be looking at buying sort of, November, really watching them and paying attention to them, because I really thought that they would do really well. I'm not going to play the video. I'm just going to shuffle through, get my words out right again, and just see if we can find the coins that I was mentioning and sort of go through them with you. So the first one here, as you can see, was Yearn Finance. Let me see if I can actually see the number. Here we go. Yearn Finance, at the time that I recorded this video, and as we can see down here, 15th of November, right? So yeah, about a week ago, week and a half, because it's the 28th today at the time that I'm recording this. But the reason I'm doing this is because obviously it's coming towards the end of November, and obviously I might think of doing one in December. You have to let me know if you want me to do that. But yeah, at the time of recording this, Yearn Finance was £13,800, and let me just show you what that is in dollars. 13,000. I'm gonna try and be precise here. 13,853, did it say, or 35? It was one of them ones. Let me just check it again real quick. 13,853. Yeah, in dollars that's $18,433. That's what the price of Yearn Finance was at the time that I recorded this video. And as you all know, these coins just went absolutely parabolic. Bitcoin, altcoins, all of them. So what I'm going to do here is just bring up Yearn Finance today. You can tell I've got something going on my throat here, and I just want to show you in comparison from that video to now, because if you'd listened to what I said, like maybe just look at the coins that I'm thinking about in November to now, a week later, it's sitting on £17,700. And just to show you that in dollars, I'm going to copy and paste because it's easier to do it like this. I mean, you're talking it's up like £4,000 already. You're looking at 23,552. So you would have made a nice bit of gains there, because you would have bought it at the price that I said, and then you would have, if you wanted to sell, now it's up to you. I mean, I would personally hold a bit longer, but you would have made some gains. You would essentially, if you had 13 grand, you would have turned 13 grand into 17,000. That's what I'm basically saying with that one. But yeah, obviously no one's got 13 grand. You probably invest like £1,000 or 600 or something, but you still would have made some gains from what it was saying. And even at this point that I was recording, it said it was 8% up. So I can only imagine how much higher it went up in regards to percentage from what it was from there to now. We might see a little pullback on some of these coins as well, purely for the fact that I think we are overbought in the whole of the financial crypto market. But yeah, I do expect to see higher highs with these coins that I'm going to be talking about before the end of, well, I can't say before the end of November, end of December. I'm just saying, like, on this particular video that I'm talking about, I do believe we will see higher highs for these coins. So that was just the first one again, and I'm just putting it out there, putting it on your radar again to show you what we were speaking about and what sort of gains they did and stuff. Or anyway, let's have a look at the next coin. So the next coin that I started to speak about was, if I can find it, Ethereum. So Ethereum was sitting on £354, right? 60 pence. Keep that 60. Go and buy like a Lucozade. Well, to be fair, I think they cost £1, don't it? But sometimes you can walk into Tesco's and it's just got like a little like cheap energy Lucozade type drink. Anyway. What was I saying? £354, right? Ethereum was £354. I just want to show you what 354 looks like in dollars. 354 roughly was $471. Okay, so back in November the 15th, what was that, 10, it's like 10 days, isn't it? Well, 10 days would make it, yeah, something like that. 13 days. Back then, you would have bought for 354. Let's look at how much it's up now or down. 389. So there's not that much significance difference in respects to the price of what it is then and now. But then we also know that, you know, Ethereum took a bit of a drop since it's reached its highs. You can't see it on this chart because this is the line chart, and the line chart only shows like daily closes or something like that, or where it's final price closed. But looking at here, where's this, November the 24th, right? So we're talking a few days ago, even still before the time that I recorded, after the time I recorded that video. Look, 463 quid. So 463, my throat today, wow. 463 was its high that it went to. So you look at $616. You know, if you looked at the video that I said at the time and was considering maybe, you know, grabbing these coins and then sold it at this price here, again, you would have made some nice little gains. But again, we all know these coins are set to do really well in the long term of the bull run anyway. I need to just cough, guys. I need to let that out. So let's just quickly scroll through this video and see what the next coin was. So the next one I spoke about was Zilliqa. Zilliqa was at 0.015. It's, what was that, 2 cents? 2.5 cents? I know it weren't that far off. 0.015. 2 cents, yeah. And I know now that looking at the Zilliqa prices, because I look at it every day, it's very similar to what it is now. It's not far off, right? 0.19. I personally think it's a good time to be, you know, if you're very interested in getting Zilliqa, it's a good time to buy, you know. I mean, penny, 2 penny, it's all good prices considering that it's, you know, all-time high has been up here. But let's just see, I'm going to zoom this in and see how high it went over the space from when I, you know, made that video to what it was, when it hit, because it done a nice little spike there. So I said it was 0.155. I'll just say it was 0.15. Where's my Zilliqa gone? Here we go. So Zilliqa went as high as 0.25. So yeah, you would have made some interesting gains. Let me just show you what that is then. The thing is, when you look at these small numbers, you think, oh, well, you're not making that much, it's a penny more. But you got to remember, a penny more is like, especially if you invest in like £1,000, like you know, it is good gains considering the prices that you're buying in at. And some people bought low, and I'm talking like real low. I've zoomed in so you can't even see it, like the 002 and the prices like that. But you know, I just want to show you what 0.025 was. It 0.025. So you know, 3 cents. So you'd bought at 2 cents. You could have sold it at 0.33 cents. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna move on. I personally think Zilliqa is a long-term hold anyway. So any of these prices, I personally think, you know, it's a good time to buy and hold for the long term, because obviously Zilliqa, you can stake it and, you know, create a passive income. And I said that in one of my other videos, which you can find here, like Zilliqa stake and passive income. Check that one out, because I think you'll find it very interesting. Actually, it's got quite a lot of views, isn't it? Well, for me anyway. And almost 10,000 views in a week. I'm happy with that, thank you. Moving on. So the next coin that I said we should maybe be watching, or what I was watching in November, was Compound. Let's have a look and just see, because it was £82 here. Let's just see what it did or what it's at, and you know, we'll take it from there. So right now it's lower. It's lower. So in my eyes, when I see coins like this where it's lower than the price that I said in the video, I would probably look at buying. Because for me, if it's cheap, it means, oh well, you know, maybe I can get it cheap and long term sell it when it's higher. But you know, obviously it's come down a bit from there. But let me just check to see if it actually did rise during that insane pump, because you would have bought it at, what did I say, 85? Like, this bloody thing doesn't want to move in now. Come on, come in. There we go. Oh, is that too zoomed in? Okay, what's this? What's this date here? This date is the 25th. It went up to £103. So technically speaking, it didn't do too bad. You know, you still would have made some sort of gains. You would have bought it at 82 and then sold it at 103. I just want to show you what 82 looks like in dollars, because I didn't do that. So £82 in dollars, it was $109. Okay, so it was $109. Right there, 82. Forget the 14 pence. That's like, you can buy again 14p bubblegums. You know, the pick and mix, and even you walk into like Tesco's or Walmart if you're in America, you just buy the little, you go to the pick and mix and just pick up the penny bubble. Anyway, I'm talking too much. So well, I've gone back. Where am I going? Compound. So, and it obviously went up to £103.93. Just going to show you what that looks like in dollars. Let me find it. 103. We'll just call it 103. Why not? 103 is $137. Okay. So yeah, you would have made some little bit of profits in that, but again, I still see these coins as long term. When I do these sort of videos, right, you know, cryptos to watch, it's because I believe that I'm going to invest in them long term, and that's me personally. And when I say long term, I'm talking maybe 1 to 2 years, just to let it have that time to blossom and grow adoption, and you know, that sort of thing there, and you know, see the price rise. So the last coin that I looked, oh no, is that the last coin? How many coins is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on. So let's see. The last coin that I mentioned was here we go, XRP. Now for me, this one was insane because we all saw what XRP did over the last week, and it was absolutely mind-blowing. I told you guys that maybe this is a coin we should be watching in 2019, and yeah, I should play this video just to show you. I don't even know if you're going to be able to hear it. Hold on, let me see if I can work out my settings so you can hear it. I don't know if it's going to work. Hold on, let me just see. Nope, not that. Don't usually do this in my videos, but I want to see if I can play the video so you can hear it. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to. Let's show me what I'm recording. What's the settings? Nope. Well, basically, what I said in this video, you can't hear it. So that could be the spike in the price, and obviously if they're I don't know if you can hear it, but what I said in this video was, you know, don't take it for granted, you know, this because, or don't underestimate it, because XRP, you know, is powerful, and what it's doing is really, really powerful, like meaning like, you know, working with the banks, and you know, it's been in the top spot of the top 4 or 5 over the last year or two. You know, so, and the fact that it was still sitting there shows that I'm trying to get rid of this stupid little thing that's not getting rid of it. What if I press the X? Is that going to close it down? Oh god. What have I done? I hope it's still recording. Let me just check to make sure. Is it still recording? Ah, okay, that scared me. Don't usually do that in my videos, but anyway, you're getting that raw background footage right there. Anyway, so yeah, what I was saying is that, you know, XRP has sitting in the top 4. 3, 4. It's been floating between Tether because obviously people are buying, it's pushing it up, but it's been sitting up here for this long, and you know, it didn't do well over the last year or two, but even here, like just looking here, you can see the prices. It was absolutely insane, and I'm just going to go here now to show you the gains, because like I said, it was 19 pence, and let me just show you what 19 pence at the time was. You know, 0.19, 19 pence, you're looking at 25 cents, guys. It was sitting at 25 cents at the time that I recorded this video in November. 25 cents, yeah, and look at how high XRP just boomed. I just spat everywhere, oops. It absolutely exploded from the time that I recorded that video, and this is why I said to you, you know, don't take it for granted, because it's sitting there silently for the last year or two, but it's going to explode. Look, and you see here, like 15th of November was there. That's when I was talking about 19, 20 cents, and look what happened. It absolutely exploded. It's super high. I want to bring this in more. I want to get to the tip of this, because this one definitely made people some good gains. I'm talking insane gains as well, because it went up to 54 pence. On some exchanges, it actually went up higher, almost hit $1. I think it went up to the 92 cents. Anyway, 54 pence, right? Let's just see what that is in dollars. 0.54, 72 cents. I'm pretty sure it went higher, but look, the fact that it went from 19 to 72, look, let's work this out, right? Even if we called it 20 pence, yeah, or 25 cents, 25, 50 cents, 75, it's almost 3 times your money, almost, them extra 3 cents, almost 3 times your money, guys. That is insane gains in the space of a week for me telling you to be watching this coin. Guys, maybe you should go back and watch this video, you know, when you get a chance, you know, or pause this, open up a new tab and just watch this video and listen to what I was saying about XRP, because I was really saying to you, you know, don't underestimate it, yeah, because it really, you know, what I was saying really, you know, showed what I meant as to how insane it can go. And again, I expect to see higher numbers. It's coming down now. Cool. For me, I don't even mind if these coins drop. Doesn't scare me, doesn't shake me, because I'm just going to buy them cheaper. So all the newcomers that are just like are not sure of what they're doing and they're panicking because they bought in high and they've lost, yeah, don't worry about it. And even if you're new here watching with me, don't worry about it. I'm telling you now, don't worry. This is normal in the industry, especially with this crypto market. You know, prices fluctuate like crazy. They go up, they go down. If they drop, don't worry about it. Don't sell, don't panic. Just buy when it's lower and increase your investment, because this is what's going to happen. We're going to see insane gains and it's going to keep happening. But yeah, guys, that was pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to give you a recap, show you what we were talking about, because I'm thinking of doing a December one. This is why I'm doing this, right? And yeah, if it was helpful, to you, oh, my words, I need to go and eat some breakfast. If it was helpful to you, please drop a like, give me a subscribe, and yeah, I will look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. And I'm sorry about all that mad thing I was trying to do, because I wanted to play it and I wanted you to hear it. Anyway, see you guys in my next video. Cheers.